Long ago, in a small village, an old man and an old woman lived together. They were kind and loved each other very much. One sunny day, the old woman said,
Dear, I want to eat some rice cake.
The old man smiled.
All right. Today is market day. I'll buy some for you.
Before he left, the old woman said,
Be careful, dear. Don't run when you cross the 3-year hill.
People said, if you fall there, you can only live 3 more years. The old man laughed.
Don't worry, I'll walk slowly.
He went to the market, bought many things, and of course, some steamed rice cake for his wife. The old man wanted to give the rice cake warm and fresh. So, he walked faster and faster.
Oh no!
He tripped on a stone and fell down. The rice cake rolled away on the road. That night, the old man came home sadly. He told his wife,
I fell on the 3-year hill. Now I can live only 3 years.
The old woman cried.
Oh dear, what shall we do?
They were so worried that they both got sick. The next day, a kind boy from next door came with a bowl of porridge.
Grandpa, please eat this. My mother sent it.
The old man said weakly,
Thank you, boy, but I will die soon.
The boy smiled.
No, Grandpa. You can live long.
What? How?
The boy said,
If you fall once, you live 3 years. If you fall twice, you live 6 years. If you fall 3 times, you live 9 years.
The old man thought and laughed.
Ha ha, that's right.
He ran to the 3-year hill and said,
One more fall, 6 years. Another fall, 9 years.
He fell again and again, laughing loudly.
Ha ha! I will live for 100 years now.
The people in the village saw him and laughed too. From then on, when they crossed the hill, they fell on purpose and smiled. The hill's name changed. It became the Hill of Long Life. Change your thinking, and sadness becomes happiness.
Thank you for reading with me. This is Tale by Tale. See you next time.